Alright. So Kavi, while you're waiting for others to join, let's do one thing. Let's check your tables. Let's see how much effort you have put to memorize the tables. Yep.
Okay.
So table till which number? I love your smile, but that is not my answer.
3.
3? Okay. And did you practice? Tell me honestly. Did you practice?
Yes.
100%? Let's see.
I have two teachers.
I don't care about the teachers. I care only about you. Whether you have 2 teachers or 22 teachers, everything will work or not work depending on how much effort you are putting. Okay, let's check. 2 5 ja.
10.
3 6 ja.
12.
3 6 ja 12.
Wait. Oh, 3 6. 18.
2 9 ja.
28.
2 9 ja 28. When did that happen?
Wait, 28. Oh, no, 2 9s are not 28. 18.
18. 3 5 ja.
18.
3 5 ja 18. When did that happen?
15.
No guesswork. What does it mean? You have not memorized tables.
I have.
No. So see, your answers are reflecting what you have done. Do you want to ask me tables till 20? Let's see if I have memorized tables or not.
Okay.
Let's see.
4 times 1.
4,
4 times 2.
8,
4 times 3.
12.
Huh?
12,
4 times 5.
20.
4 times 89.
Is that a table? Do you memorize till 89? Till 10. That's what I memorize. I can calculate though.
4 times 9.
36,
8 times 9.
72,
20 times 10.
200. So see, what I was trying to do, I'm not trying to tell you that I'm super smart. What I'm telling you is I have memorized the tables enough that I'm not even making you wait. As soon as you finish, I'm able to give you the answer without even thinking about it. Yeah? I want you guys to memorize it the same way, because that is when you will actually see that whatever you have learned, you are able to use it very effectively. While we're waiting for everybody else to join, okay, let's practice table for you. Okay, we'll only practice table for you. So you start singing the table of 2. Start from beginning.
2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 10, 20. Someone has joined.
That is not important. Right now you are focusing on your tables. That is where we have concern. Hey Kaniska. Okay. See, now let me be a student for next 5 minutes and tell you guys. So Kaniska, I'll come to you, but I'm just kind of trying to help you guys to find out the fun in memorizing tables. Let me do it the way I'm doing it. Hear me out. If I say 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, 2 times 4 8, that doesn't sound like a song. That's why I use that 2 1 ja. Okay, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, 2 8 9 ja 18, 2 10 ja 20. So I'm just, again, it's the same thing, nothing different. I'm just using that rhyming thing in between to make it fast. Again, I'm starting from beginning. Let's say if I'm doing table of 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21, 3 8 ja 24, 3 9 ja 27, 3 10 ja 30. Once I do that, I'll do it 2 3 times. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21, 3 8 ja 24, 3 9 ja 27, 3 10 ja 30. I'll close my eyes, memorize it. And then I will question myself, okay, 3 8 ja 24, okay, I remember it. 3 9 ja 27, very nice. 3 6 ja 28, 3 6 ja 18, okay, cool. So that is how, Kavi, stay focused, don't roam around, stay stable. Let's see if I'm teaching you, if I say something and then I disappear. Then I come back after 10 seconds. Doesn't look nice. I am your star, you are my star. Next 1 hour, no deviation, no distraction. Okay? So whatever I said, I want you guys to practice like that. If when you're singing it like a song, if you again try comparing that with what you said. I mean whatever I said, compare that with the way you were remembering. 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 3 times 5 15. That song is missing. If there is no song, you will not be able to memorize it easily. Okay? What is happening with this one? I see you. Is there any musical beat in the chair? Stay stable, beta. Stay stable. Stay stable. Otherwise, it will be a problem. Okay. Now, I want you to memorize tables like this. Forget about the 2 times 1. I don't want you to practice that because that is not helping. Okay? And this is the second month since you and I are together. And you are still on table of 3. And that too is not done well. I want you to spend those 5 minutes without any second thought. If you want me to talk to mommy, daddy, I will do that. But it is only a discussion between you and me right now. Please make sure that those 5 minutes of serious practice of table is not negotiated. Okay? Kavi, is that clear?
Yes.
Next class, table till 3 should come like this. 3 5 are 15, 2 9 are 18, 3 6 are 18, 3 9 are 27, 2 8 are 16. It has to come like this. If it is not coming like this, we have a problem to talk about. Yeah? I'm not trying to scare you, I'm trying to make you serious about it. Yeah? Kabi, is it clear? Stop singing song. Only sing tables. Okay. Kanishka, are you ready? Table till 4 3 ja.
12.
3 6 ja. Kavi is stable. Kavi is stable. See, now when Kanishka is giving the answer, you have to listen to her and memorize it for yourself. Stable. Take a deep breath and control yourself. Okay, Kanishka, ready? Kavi, the deep breath is for you also, okay? Take a deep breath and stay stable, okay? Okay, Kanishka, table till 4, right? 3 9 ja. 3 9 ja 18?
No.
कावी स्टेबल बेटा कहाँ जा रहे हो आप स्टेबल स्टेबल इट्स अ मैथ क्लास दिस नॉट कैरियोके क्लास राइट नाउ 3 9 जा
9, so 27,
2 6 जा
8,
2 7 जा
2, 7, 14.
3 9 जा
Okay. What?
Hey Karthik, hi,
Hello?
hey Yugan. Yep, yeah Kanishka. 3 9 ja.
18.
3 9 ja 18. When did that happen?
No, 18. 27.
4 7 ja.
And 28.
Okay, now time to get super serious, okay? Kavi and Kanishka. Okay. My humble request to you both is before the next class, Kavi has to memorize table till 3 and it has to be memorized in a way that it doesn't even take a second to give me the answer and that to the right answer.
Yes, got it.
2 7 ja 80, 2 7 ja 14, 3 9 ja 27. It has to come like that. If you are doing counting, doing dancing, singing to give the answer, not acceptable. Same thing for you, Kanishka. Table till 4. Every day 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you want to spend, practice, ask your parents to check. Now, here's the deal. Before the next class, by the next class, if you guys are not clear with these two tables, I will have to request your parents to keep on reminding you every day. And I'm sure you guys don't want me to talk to your parents. Do you want to? No, right? Make sure that it remains a deal between you guys and me. Okay? Kavi has to memorize table till 3, no matter whether he's able to sleep well or not. I'm super serious. Same thing, Kanishka has to memorize table till 4 and every answer, 4, 6 or 24 has to come like this. Okay? Alright, let's see. Yugan, ready?
Yes, sir.
Table till?
This time we'll try 3.
Till 3? Last time you had memorized till 5.
Because last time, I did 5, and because I mostly did 5, but this time, I didn't do 5 that much.
No, we don't go back. We go forward. If you did table till 5 in the last class, I don't want you to go to 3.
So, 6?
Don't go to 6. At least till 5 you should be solid. Solid as in rock solid. Yeah?
Okay.
Let's see. 4 5 ja.
20.
3 9 ja.
27?
3 6 2 8 ja.
16.
3 5 ja.
15.
4 7 ja.
28.
Say 28. If it's wrong, I will correct you. 5 9 ja.
45.
3 8 ja.
24.
4 7 ja.
48.
Good job. So you did much better, but I don't want you to go to 6. But Yugan, I want you to stay till 5 till the next class, and you should not go back. We will make sure that till 5 it's rock solid, and then the class following that will go to 6. Okay? Yeah. Karthik, do you want to turn on your video? I hope you don't want to hide yourself from me, Kanishka.
Sorry,
No.
The camera has a problem on this laptop.
Okay, sir. No worries. Kanishka, take out that fancy thing. We are here only for math. No playing around with these things. Kanishka, take that out. Kanishka, take that fancy thing out.
But it's my normal hair.
What is that?
It's my normal hair.
Kanishka, we have problem with the normal tables. Okay? Let's not worry about normal hair. So, Karthik, table till
7,
4 5 ja,
4, 5 are 20.
6 7 ja,
42,
5 9 ja,
45,
4 8 ja,
36. I'm at 32.
6 7 ja,
42,
6 9 ja,
54,
4 4 ja,
16,
6 9 ja.
54.
Good job. So, see, Kanishka, beta, don't get distracted by those stupid things. We are here in this class for math. Yeah? You all look very adorable, okay? You all look adorable to me, okay? Every child, but not at the cost of compromising studies. We have problems that we want to fix first. I see opportunity for us to get better with the tables. Okay? So Kanishka, it is close to 3 months now and we are still on table of 4 and we are still making mistakes. I want to get rid of those problems. Same thing for you, Kavi. This is almost 2 months. We are still on third table of 3 and we are still taking a lot of time. We have to put our energy on things that is important, not on this flower that is on Kanishka's head. Now take it out, beta.
I also have a question.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm not a baby. I just want to say, you're just calling me a baby and
You guys are much younger. I call even the 10th graders a baby because they are like baby for me. I'm 49 years old. Are you guys anywhere close to that? No, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay, anyways, let's keep it aside. Let's keep that unproductive discussion aside. Now, so everybody got the message. So Karthik, you are good with the table till 6. You can try 7 in the next class. You can, memorize table till 7 for the next class, okay? You can make your table till 5 rock solid, don't go back, okay? And then post that will go to table of 6. Kanishka, yes, Karthik?
I've done till the 7th table.
7 5 ja.
45, 35,
7 9 ja.
78, 63,
7 8 ja.
56,
6 8 ja.
68,
Mm-hmm.
48.
So here's the deal. You seem to be almost there. We have to do a little bit of fine tuning. I know that you had a good vacation with family, so you might not have gotten a chance to revise tables. For next 7 days, make sure that you're able to revise tables till 7, and in the next class when we check the tables, you make me super happy. Okay? Same thing goes for everybody. Kanishka will make me super happy by memorizing table till 4. Kavi will make me super happy by memorizing table till 3. No time taken, no mistakes. Yugan will... Where are you wanting to go, Kanishka? Let's make... See, here's the thing. If you're trying to build a house, these tables are nothing but the building blocks for making a house.
Yes.
And when you are making the house, you have to make sure that your base is very strong. If your table till 4 is very strong, then you can build 5 on the top of that. Then you can build 6 on the top of that. If your table of 4 is shaking, the whole building can fall apart. Okay? Don't make it happen. Okay? So, again, I'm repeating and before I start. So, Kavi till 3, Kanishka till 4, Yugan till 5, and Karthik till 7. Yeah? Yes, Yugan.
Yesterday was my birthday.
Oh, belated birthday. Okay. I was not aware. So, how old are you now? 8. See, you are much behind me. I am 49. 41 years less than me.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So that's why I call you guys babies. Okay. All right. Let's come to a serious discussion. Kanishka, do you mind taking that out? That stupid flower on your head?
Oh.
That is disturbing me. Take
It's
it out.
beautiful, okay, but
Take it out. Take it out, beta. Take it out. You can put that flower for rest of the day after the class is over. Okay.
okay.
All right.
Thank you.
So, what are we going to learn today? In the previous class, we learned a little bit about what is fraction, how do we deal with fraction, what do we mean by fraction? Yeah? If I have one mango, one child, that child gets one mango. If I have 2 kids, everybody gets half of the mango. If I have 1 pizza, 4 friends, everybody gets 1/4 of a pizza. That's what we understood, correct? Yeah? Is everybody clear about that part? Now I'm saying, if I say multiply this by this, do you guys know how to multiply it? Kanishka, why you have to do all that thing, beta? No, tell me what is the reason for doing that?
I like it.
I don't like it.
Okay.
See, it's a math class, beta, okay? I say you guys are very close to my heart, okay? You guys are the youngest kids in my class. So I don't feel good being rude to you guys. But then, I want to make sure that everybody keeps on learning math. That's what we are here for. So don't do anything that makes me a little upset. And if that happens, then I start talking about things that you guys will not like. So don't do those things. Now I'm saying, I have what, see, if I say multiply 2 into 3, everybody knows it is 6. Yeah? So this is like multiplying normal numbers or natural numbers. What you are seeing here is, I have a fraction. And if I say multiply 1 by 2 with 1 by 3, is that looking something difficult or is that something easy? Have you seen this before? Have you guys come across this before? Did anybody ask you to multiply 2 fractions? Hmm? What is going on, Kavi? Are you having 2-3 screens open where you are playing on one screen and then listening to me on another screen, Kavi? Kavi, I'm talking to you. You're talking on mute. Kavi, stop playing. I will call up mommy right away if you don't get serious. I'm not here for fooling around with anybody, okay? Please make sure that you are with me in the class with your full attention.
Talk.
I cannot hear you, Kavi. Disconnect and join. If anybody is having any problem, disconnect and join.
Okay.
No, Kanishka, stay focused. Okay. So, have you guys seen anything like this in the past? Karthik, Yugan. Can you hear me now, Kavi?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Now I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay, so when I'm teaching something, okay, make sure that you respond to it. Otherwise, I would not know if you have understood or not. And make sure that there is no other window that is open, okay? It's only this window where we are doing the math class, okay? Alright, so if you guys see anything like this, any clue how to deal with this? If I say multiply 4 with 5, everybody who knows the table of 4 or table of 5, you will say 4 times 5 is 20.
20.
But if I say
1
multiply,
times 5 is 20.
I got that. I'm saying this one is easy. I'm saying, okay, how about this? 1 by 2 times 1 by 3. What will you do? Karthik, Yugan, Niska,
1
Kavi.
times 1 is 1.
Okay.
2 by 5.
2 by 5.
It's well then. So
2 times 3.
so then the answer is 7.
Where are you going?
I don't know. I just said the top ones add it. The top ones make it to times, and then down ones make it to times, and then make the
So-
answers go into plus and then 7.
Why plus? Where is the plus sign here?
There's no plus. That's the reason that I add.
So if I say, what is your name? Will you tell me your neighbor's name or you'll tell me your name?
If you ask me my neighbor's name,
I said, what is your name? Will you tell me your name or your neighbor's name?
I'll answer my.
Your name,
Mine.
correct? Correct? So here, somebody is asking you to multiply. What will you add?
But then what is the answer?
No,
Wait, I got it. Wait, I think I got it. 7. The answer is 7.
what 7? Okay, let's see what Yugan says. Yeah, Yugan, tell me. Yugan, you're talking to the mute button. Unmute yourself, then I can hear you.
I think at the top you have to X the other one.
Uh-huh.
And then you have to do 2 times 3, which is 6.
So what will be your answer in that case?
6?
6?
Wait, what?
Okay, no, I'm just making you guys think. Okay, Karthik, what is your answer, beta?
2 by
2 by 6?
Yeah, that's what I could say now.
Why 2?
5.
But then there's 2. And the
Oh.
remainder is.
Where's the remainder? Don't go. See, I'm watching a English movie and you are telling me about a Hindi movie. What will I do?
I don't know like how you explain it.
The remainder.
Now, hold it. Math, okay. Shh. Everybody goes quiet. Now the teacher talks. Math is a very simple. Okay, Kanishka, can you calm down? Take a deep breath. Whenever you get excited, Kanishka, calm down. Whenever you guys get excited, take a deep breath. Get your energy back. What I'm trying to say is, math is a subject which is very simple. Okay?
Yes.
Math is a very simple subject. It says things in black and white. If it says multiply, you have to multiply. If it says divide, you have to divide. If it says add, you have to add. If somebody says 5 plus 3, you will say, okay, 5 plus 3, oh, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. From where this minus happened? It says 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So that is what I'm trying to tell. In case of a math, never ever assume anything. Now you look at this fraction. Something that looks difficult, I will make it look easy. Now, if I call this as second floor and call this as first floor, okay? These are the people living on the first floor, second floor. These are the people living on the first floor. People on the second floor talk to each other. People on the first floor talk to each other. What does it become? People on the second floor talk to each other, and you have a multiplication here. 1 times 1 is 1. Second floor is done. You have people on the first floor. They are talking to each other. How? Multiplication. 2 times 3 is 6.
1 by 6.
Yep. So you all were thinking in the right direction, but everybody got distracted after some point in time.
That's the opposite thing.
What opposite thing?
I did the opposite thing. I did
So,
plus instead
no,
of
you did opposite thing, some other thing, but whatever you did was not correct. So that's what we are learning. Yeah. So see, I'm not trying to prove anybody right or wrong. I'm telling you that when you are doing this, this is how it is to be done. Yes, Kavi.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yep. So, yes, you can.
Can I get the charger for the iPad because it's only at 10%?
Sure. Now, Kanishka and Karthik, if I say 2 by 4 into 1 by 3, can you solve it using the same concept that we saw just now?
Yes, I can.
Do it.
2 by 12.
2 by 12. Can you tell me a story, Karthik? How did you get that? Let Kanishka finish, then I'll come to your story.
So what you have to do in the
No, you get the answer first, Kanishka, then I will listen to your story, okay? Just give me 10 seconds, I'll get my water bottle, will be back. Okay. Did everybody get the answer? So the problem was 2 by 4 into 1 by 3. So Karthik got 2 by 12. Kanishka, what is the answer? And Yugan.
1 second. My answer was
Okay, Yugan, can you complete this as well? Tell me what the answer is.
And I missed 2 by 12.
2 by 12. How about you, Kavi? Whom are you talking to? I cannot hear you. Kavi, I cannot hear you. And that is not funny. That is not really funny, Kavi. You are talking, I cannot hear you, and you are enjoying that. That is not good. Ultimately, outcome is you will not learn.
Can you
Kanishka, I'm looking at you only to get the answer. Let's not try fixing the technical problem. That Kavi will figure out.
2 by 12.
2 by 12. Okay. Yeah, Yugan. What is your answer?
I already said that.
2 by 12. Okay. Kavi, what is your answer? Trust me, your enjoyment is not worth it. You're just wasting your time.
That's true.
Disconnect and join. Disconnect and join, Kavi. Don't make fun of this situation right now. You're not learning. That's the problem.
No, we just.
Okay.
Can we do another one? I like it.
So we will do it. So see again. Now I want, let's say, Karthik to tell me the story. How did you arrive at 2 by 12?
So 2 times 1 is 2. So I put 2 on the top.
Yeah.
So I put 2 on the top. And then 4 times 3 would be 12. So I put 12 on the bottom.
Right. So basically, now look at this. When I said story, right? This is what I mean. Kavi, can you hear me now? Okay. What is your answer then? Answer for this one. 2 by 4 into 1 by 3. What is your answer?
You have to try.
No. I'm not sure if it's a problem with the device that you are using, or you are enjoying it with the problem. What is the answer for this one, Kavi? So, Kavi, I cannot hear you. I can only see your lip sync. Right? In movies, what happens that the stars, the
14.
14, from where did it come?
I did 2 times 1 and then 4 times 3 and I added that together.
Why you have to do that? See, now let's look at it. Let's look at it. It's very easy concept, okay? Kavi, here, attention. If you listen to me carefully, better you will find it easy. If you don't listen to me, it is going to remain difficult forever. Kanishka, hold it there.
But I want to tell the story.
No, hold it. I'll come to you. I'll give chance to everybody. That is my style of teaching. So here, if I treat this as a building, if you treat this as a building and this is another building, this is first floor, this is second floor. In this building, this is first floor, this is second floor. People on the second floor will talk to each other, people on the first floor will talk to each other. Okay? What that means is, people on the second floor, 2 and 1, they will talk to each other, meaning 2 will multiply with 1 because you have multiplication sign here. Similarly, people on the first floor will talk to each other. Okay? So now 2 times 1 everybody in the world knows is 2. 4 times 3 is 12. This is your answer, not 14. Okay? So that's why I'm giving you guys all lame examples. I'm saying that treat them like a building. This fraction is a building, 2-storied building. This fraction is also a 2-storied building. People on the second floor talking, people on the first floor talking. They don't do any crisscross, okay? Yeah? So now I will give a chance to everybody. So I am giving one problem to each one of you. This is for Kanishka, okay? Kanishka. 4 by 3 into 2 by 9. Okay? This is your problem, Kanishka.
Correct.
This is your problem, Kavi. 1 by 3 into 2 by 5. Okay? This is your problem. This is Karthik's problem. That is 4 by 8 into 3 by 6. This is Karthik's problem. This is Yugan's problem. That is 1 by 7 into 3 by 5. Okay? Kanishka's problem is 4 by 3 into 2 by 9. Kavi's problem is 1 by 3 into 2 by 5. Karthik's problem is 4 by 8 into 3 by 6. Yugan's problem is 1 by 7 into 3 by 5. Do your calculation. Once you are ready, raise your hand. Yes, Kavi, you are ready?
I had a different question. How do you solve it? I don't know how to solve the question.
What was I doing, or what were I doing 5 minutes ago?
You were telling us your questions.
Do you remember that building example I gave?
Yes.
People on the second floor talking to each other, people on the first floor talking to each other.
Yes.
Was that not the solution?
I'm saying how will you add it?
Who's asking you to add?
Because there's 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 5. Will you add it in a line or in a diagonal?
I got my answer.
Okay, so Kavi, that is why I say math is easy when you pay attention. And I have a feeling that you're not paying attention. I will solve this for you, Kavi. I'll come to you, Kanishka and Yugan and Karthik. What did I say? Kavi, pay attention now. I have 1 by 7 into 3 by 5. As I said, treat this like a 2-storied building. Treat this also like a 2-storied building. People on the second floor talking to each other, people on the first floor talking to each other. Meaning, people on the second floor. Who are the people on the second floor? 1 and 3. People on the first floor. Oh, this is Yugan's problem. Sorry, my bad. That's why I was thinking that Kavi doesn't know the table of 5 or table of 7. How will you do it? This is Kavi's problem. This one. So again, treat this like a 2-storied building. People on the second floor talking to each other, people on the first floor talking to each other. People on the second floor, who are the people? 1 and 2. People on the first floor, who are the people? 3 and 5. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 5 is 15. Now, where is the question of what is the solution? I am telling. Yeah. Did you understand it this time, Kavi?
So you basically get the answer and add those two together?
Who's adding here? Tell me.
Huh?
Who was adding it? Who's adding here?
3, 5, 1, 2. You said that was for. You said.
This
You
is.
said.
No. So where am I adding? I'm saying they are talking to each other. People on the second floor, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are talking to each other. How? Multiplication, because you have a multiplication sign here. Similarly, people on the first floor talking to each other. Who are the people? 3 and 5. 3 and 5 talking to each other. How? There is a multiplication sign here. So you multiplied these two, you multiplied these two. Whatever you multiplied on the second floor, that remains on the second floor. Whatever you multiplied on the first floor, that remains on the first floor. Where am I adding?
Nowhere.
Done. Now, Kavi, there was one problem for you. Now let's look at what our friends are doing, okay? Listen to them carefully. Don't go anywhere. You're not done yet. Pay your 100% attention in the class till you are with me. That's the only easy way to learn things. Okay, let's hear Kanishka's story. Yeah, Kanishka. Tell me, what did you do?
I multiplied the second floor two times 4 times 2.
Okay. 4 times 2. And then, what is on the first floor?
I did 3 times 9.
Okay. What does it become?
It comes 8 27.
8 by 27, okay? 8 by 27. When you say 8 by 27, it sounds this value. If you say 827, I will think that it is 827. Yeah? Okay. So, you can, what is your story? What is your answer?
My answer is 35 by 3.
35 by 3?
Yes, sir.
35 by 3?
Well, let me think.
Kavi, hold it. So,
35 divided by 3.
35 divided by 3? No.
No. 35 by 3.
No, it is not. It is not. See, what you have on the second floor, 1 and 3. What you have on the first floor, 7, 5. So whatever you have on the second floor goes here. Whatever you have on the first floor goes here. So when you multiply 1 by 3, it becomes 3. 7 by 5, 35. Your answers, numbers are correct, but you have flipped them upside down. It is not 35 by 3, it is 3 by 35. Yeah. 1 by 2 and 2 by 1 are two different things, isn't it? Okay, yeah, Kavi, tell me. Kavi, tell me, you have raised your hand. Kavi, I cannot hear you. You have raised your hand. You want to say something? Go ahead. No? Okay. Karthik, what is your story, beta?
12 by 48.
And it is fairly straightforward for each one of us, okay? Don't, yeah, Karthik.
My answer is 12 by 48.
Yes, and that is right. Because whenever somebody says multiply fractions, it is about just making the people talk on the same floor, okay? That is how you should look at it, okay? What are you saying, Kavi? Kavi, go ahead and tell me whatever you want to say. You have raised your hand for the last 5 minutes without saying anything. Kavi, I would want, okay, Kavi, I want you to be in the classroom always. This online thing is not working for you. You have to be in the classroom. 80% of times you have problem with the internet. Rest of times you are distracted. My request to you would be, you be in the classroom, please. Okay. Otherwise, you will not learn anything, and I don't feel good about it. Okay. Okay. But pay attention. What is your question? Unmute yourself and tell me what you want to say. Nothing. Okay. I will talk to Daddy or Mommy. Okay. I want you to be in the classroom better, because otherwise, no, I don't want to waste your time. Okay. Coming back to this one. So when somebody says fraction multiplication, it's fairly straightforward. If I say 1 by 3 into 4 by 7, it's as simple as you treat this like a 2-story building. This is the second floor. This is the second floor. People on the second floor will talk to each other. People on the first floor will talk to each other and do the calculation. This becomes your answer. And look at how I'm doing it. Am I skipping any step? No. I am saying, okay, this becomes this, and then multiplying this becomes this, multiplying this becomes this. Look at the steps. Don't rush from here to here. If you do that, you might miss something. Yeah? Kavi, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Can you hear me?
yeah, 100%. I can hear you when I don't want to hear you. When I want to hear you, that is when you go muted. Okay. Alright. Now, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. Now, any idea what will you do? Kanishka, Karthik, Yugan, I'm making your life difficult now.
Sir,
Yeah.
I'm thinking top is tricky.
What is that?
Wait, can I think again?
I'm sorry, say that again, Karthik.
Take a moment. Can I take a moment to think a bit?
Sure. Yeah, Kavi, tell me.
1 by 24.
How do you know that? Have you learned the table of 6?
Well, no, but I added the 4 to the 3 and the 3 to the 2.
Did you add them? Why?
That's, I multiplied them.
Multiplied them. Every word matters, okay? If you call me by Mr. Yeah, Karthik, I'll come to you. Let me crack a good joke. So, see, my name is Birain.
My answer is 1 by 24.
1 by 24, okay, I'll come to that. So I'm saying importance of word, okay. My name is Birain, B-I-R-E-N, okay. And some people call me as Biden. See how much different it is. I'm such a small, stupid person named Birain. The big guy, president of the country. Yeah, former president, right? So if you say one word differently, the whole meaning changes. Look at the difference between Birain and Biden. Only difference is this D. Same way, never say multiplication as addition. That will change everything upside down. Yes, Yugan, tell me, what is your answer?
1 by 28.
28, 24.
28.
Why 28?
Wait, let me think of it one more time.
Kanishka, what is your answer?
Oh, it is 24.
24.
My answer is 1 by 24.
1 by 24. Okay, very nice. Kanishka is doing some magic on the screen. Okay, alright. So coming back to this one.
I don't know. I think it's 1 by.
Okay, tell me your story. I'm ready to listen to your story.
I don't know.
I don't know. I think. Okay, alright. Life is as simple as math. Okay? What did I say when you are doing multiplication of fraction? Think of them like 2-story buildings. where people on the same floor talk to each other. Meaning here this becomes what you have on the second floor, 1 into 1 into 1. These are all the people on the second floor divided by the people on the first floor. 2 into 3 into 4. Done. Multiply it and figure it out. Now Kanishka, don't tell me that you don't know the table of 4. Right? You know it already. Right? So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, done. Now look at this. 2 times 3 into 4. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6 into 4. Okay, fine. Now 1 divided by 6 times 4 or 4 times 6 is 24. Done. So what I was trying to say was, whether it is multiplying 2 fractions or 3 fractions or 20 fractions, your approach doesn't change. Okay? Yeah? So tomorrow if somebody gives you a problem that, okay, multiply 7 by 8 into 2 by 5 into 6 by 9 into 8 by 2 into 7 by 5. Don't start worrying about it. For you, it's the same thing. Everything on the second floor will get multiplied, everything on the first floor will get multiplied. And whatever you have on the second floor divided by whatever you have on the first floor. Done. Multiply all these numbers on the second floor, multiply all these numbers on the first floor, and that is your answer. So whether you have to multiply 2 fractions or 22 fractions, your approach doesn't change. So that is why it's very important for us to know that we don't have to know 500 problems. We have to just know or learn 2 approaches, be very clear about it so that I can apply as many times I need to. Yeah?
Yes.
Karthik, Yugan, Kanishka, everybody with me?
Yes.
Yeah? Nobody sounding very confident. Why so?
I don't know.
What you don't know?
I don't know. I will not tell me
Only thing I need from you guys is to feel confident. Be it right or wrong. If you know something wrong and you are still being confident, I will correct it. And then after that you will be right and confident both. If you're right and then confident, there's nothing for me to do. You're good. So what I'm saying is, whatever you know, say it loud and clear, right or wrong, we'll figure it out. Okay? If I say 4 9s are 36, 4 9s are 38, whatever you know, say it loud and clear. And if it is wrong, I will tell you, okay, no, it's not 4 9s, it's not 38, it's 36. And then you will say, okay, fine, 4 9s are 36, 4 9s are 36. Yeah, now I remember it. Okay? Because that confidence is a very important thing. If you know something, and while saying it, you say, I think it is this. That is when you are actually questioning yourself. That, do I really know this? And when you shake, there is a problem. Yes, Kanishka?
Can I go to the restaurant?
100%. Okay? So, now I'll teach you guys something even more interesting, okay? More of a fun thing. When we learned about multiplying fractions, we did not learn anything difficult. We knew multiplication, right? Everybody knows how to multiply, correct? We just used that. Okay, I will only multiply things on the second floor and multiply things on the first floor and then leave it there. That's it. Now if I say multiply 3 with 1 by 4. Now what would you do? Think. Okay. Again, just think. Don't try solving it. Just first think. Okay. Thinking is very important part of math. I'm saying multiply 3 by 1 by 4.
3 by 12.
3 by 12.
I was gonna say 3 by 12.
Yeah, you can tell me. I heard one answer, 3 by 12. What is the answer?
3 by 12, yeah.
3 by 12?
Yeah.
Kanishka, what do you think? Kavi, what is that is going in your mind right now? Tell me. How would you find this out?
I'm trying. Can I have some more time?
No, see, again, time, take your time, not a problem. I'm saying what is going in your mind is what I'm interested in. For everybody, not only Kavi. Okay.
I'm multiplying.
Uh-huh.
I'm multiplying the things.
Which one with whom?
I'm multiplying 1 multiplied by 4.
1 by 4? Okay.
And then
Okay. Take your time, think about it. Let me go to Yugan. Yeah, Yugan, tell me. How did you arrive at 3 by 12?
So I multiplied 1 by 3 and 4 by 2.
But why? There was only 1 3. Why did you multiply it twice? Yes, Kavi.
3 by 4.
3 by 4. How did you come to that?
3 times 1 is basically 3, and then 4 times 1 is basically 4.
Where is 1?
Huh?
Where is 1?
The one's on top.
But why would you multiply something on the first floor with something on the second floor? See, your answer is right. I'm just trying to check. Did you do it with complete understanding of things, or it's a guesswork? Because whatever you did is the right answer.
Well, I put a 1 under 3.
Exactly. That is where the catch is. Now, let me give you guys one more stupid example. If I have 4 apples and 3 bananas, will I have 7 apples or 7 bananas, or I'll continue having 4 apples and 3 bananas?
The third option.
Right? Bananas and apples don't mix, right? Even if you crush them and make smoothie, but they will remain there. I mean, they will have their own identity, right? Apple remains apple, banana remains banana. There is no magic wand that can convert an apple to a banana, or vice versa, correct? And we all being normal human beings, we don't have the ability to convert apple to banana for sure. Now, this is my apple. This is a whole number. This is a fraction. Can I multiply a whole number with a fraction? No, we cannot. We have to convert everything to common thing. If I have a 3, see, this is a 1-storied building. This is a 2-storied building. How do I deal with them? Do I have a... Yeah, Kanishka?
I have my answer.
What is the answer?
It's 3 by 4.
Okay. So now your answer and Kavi's answer are the same. Yugan and Karthik also gave an answer. But nobody has explained to me. So I'm just trying to explain to you guys. Hold it. No, Kanishka, hands down, hands down, hands down. Too much of talks without substance has zero value. So let's make sure that whatever we say has meaning to it. Now 3, I'm trying to multiply by 1 by 4. What I'm saying is, this is a 1-storied building. This is a 2-storied building. How would people talk to each other? Can I convert this 1-storied building into a 2-storied building? I can. 3 is same as 3 by 1. Like what Kavi said. And I'm telling you guys the reason for it. If I had only 3, that was a different creature compared to 1 by 4. So I converted them into same creature first. Now I have a 2-storied building, here also I have a 2-storied building. People on the second floor will talk to each other, people on the first floor will talk to each other. And that is how 3 into 1 divided by 1 into 4. And that gives the answer 3 by 4. Does it make sense, Yugan and Karthik?
Yes.
Kanishka,
Yeah.
is
Yes.
that the understanding that you would want to keep with you?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. I like a style, but I want you guys to pay little more attention. Beta, okay?
I
Kavi?
can tell my story how I did it.
Yeah. Okay?
My story was what was the actual one question?
3 times 1 by 4.
Okay, I got it. So first what I did is I added three times I did 3 times 1 3 times 1 equals 3, so the answer is 3 on the top. And then there's 4, but there's no other number, so it's 4 on the bottom. So it's 3 by 4.
So when there's no number, if I have no money, that means I have a 0 money. Yeah? So if I have no money, 4, there's nothing on the bottom, so I have a 0. What that will be? 4 times 0?
4.
No. 4 times 0 is 0.
Because
But what? So it's 3.
4 times 0 by 0?
What is that?
4 times 0.
3 by 0. It's 3 by 0.
So no, so you said that there was nothing at the bottom. When I have nothing, that means 0.
Okay.
So that, see, again, I'm not telling you what you did was wrong. I'm just telling you that you always think of this, okay? Always look at how you can make things look simple. See, for fraction multiplication, do you want to learn 4 different concepts? No, just one concept is enough. Things on the second floor, things on the first floor to multiply. Here I have only 1 floor, but 3 I can write as 3 by 1. Now I have 2-story building here, 2-story building here, and I know what to do with this. Yeah? That's it. So whenever you are dealing with fraction multiplication, you are not learning anything new. You are just making sure that every fraction you look at as a 2-story building and multiply, make the people on the second floor talk, make the people on the first floor talk. That's it. If tomorrow somebody says 4 into 3, you will say, I know it, 4 times 3 is 12. But if somebody says 4 into 3 by 2, you say, okay, this is 1 story, this is 2 story. Let me first make it 2 story. Now I know what to do. Yeah?
Yes.
So, see, what happens is, if you look at it this way, right, you might get confused. Okay, 4 times 3 or 4 times 2? Is it on the first floor, second floor? Make it look as simple as possible first. If you make things simple, it will stay simple with you. If you keep it complicated, it will come to haunt you in the night as a nightmare. Yeah? You guys know what is nightmare?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Math is not supposed to be a nightmare by any means. Yeah?
Bad dreams, nightmare.
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. It will become a bad dream if you don't keep it clean. Keep it clean, enjoy it. Yeah? So Kavi, now the answer that you gave me, that was the right answer. I'm just telling you how do you build a story out of it. Right? This answer, you said, okay, fine, 3 into 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. But somebody like me, who is not very intelligent, will always think, why did I multiply 3 with 1? Why not with 4? And then I will say, no, 3 by 1, 3 is nothing but 3 by 1, because now I have two-story buildings, second floor talking to each other, first floor talking to each other. That is how my answer is this. Yeah? The second floor is called numerator, first floor is called denominator. Yeah? So though I told first floor, second floor just to make it sound like fun, but don't tell this to your teacher in the school or your friends in the school. Say, okay, see, this is second floor. They will start laughing at you, saying this is numerator, not second floor. Yeah? Alright? Okay, with that being said, I will let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your evening, but make sure everybody is spending those 5 minutes to memorize tables. Please don't think that's an optional thing, because your math is getting built on the top of tables. If your tables are not strong, your building of math will collapse. Yes, Yugan.
I was gonna say the thing that I just said before.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what I'm saying. Your building of math is built on the tables. If your tables are not strong, your building will keep on shaking like earthquake. And I'm sure you don't want to come across an earthquake in the exam. Kavi, table till 3, without fail, solid, rock solid, super solid. Okay? Kanishka, table till 4, without any second thought. Every day, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I don't mind. But next class, 4 8 32 should come in less than a second. Okay? Yugan, table till 5, same way. Karthik, table till 7, same way. Yes, Yugan.
You mean doing it for 10 minutes? Because last class you said that we have to do it for 10 minutes.
See, if you are more intelligent than me, which I believe is the case, and that is not only for you but for everybody, okay? All of you are from this generation where the kids are much more smarter than what the kids used to be in my generation. So I know you guys are super intelligent. I'm saying 5 minutes, 10 minutes based on my understanding. But if you guys are doing it in your smart way, I have a feeling that you can do it in 2 minutes also. So whether it takes 2 minutes for you or 10 minutes for you, I'm not going to check with you, okay, did you study for 15 minutes? Did you do it for 10 minutes? I'm not going to ask that. Whatever time it takes for you, as long as in next 7 days, Yugan gets solid with table till 5, Kavi gets solid till table till 3, Kanishka gets solid till table till, solid with table till 4, and Karthik makes me super happy with table till 7, I have nothing to complain about. Okay? So you guys decide whether you want to spend 30 seconds or 30 minutes, depending on your comfort. But I want the outcome. I want the tables to be rock solid. That's it. Yep? Okay? Keep working harder, keep getting smarter, okay? Alright. Yeah, take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.